Assessment. What is Olofment or ORM in Laravel and how does it simplify database interactions? ORM object relational mapping is Laravel's built-in database abstraction layer that allows developers to interact with the database using an object-oriented syntax. It simplifies database interaction by providing an active record implementation where each database table corresponds to a model class. This means you can perform CRUD operations using simple methods on model instances without writing complex SQL queries. Number two, how does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define routes? Laravel handles HTTP requests and define routes through a straightforward routing system. Explain the role of templating engine in Laravel. Blade is Laravel's powerful templating engine that allows developers to create dynamic views using a clean and expressive syntax. Blade templates are stored in the resource or views directory and have a .blade.php file extension. Blade provides features like template, inheritance, sections, and controls structure, if statements, loops that make it easy to build complex layouts. Therefore, what are the security features provided by Laravel? CSRF protection. Laravel automatically generates CSRF tokens for forms to prevent cross-site request forgery attacks. XSS protection. Blade automatically escapes output preventing cross-site scripting attacks. SQL injection protection. Eloquent ORM uses prepared statements which help prevent SQL injection. Password hashing. Laravel provides a secure way to hash password using the hash package. Authorization. Laravel includes a built-in authorization system to manage user permission and roles. How does Laravel support task scheduling? Laravel supports task scheduling through its command scheduler which allows you to define the scheduled tasks in a fluent and expressive way. You can define scheduled tasks in the app console kernel.php file within the schedule method.